Okay, welcome po sa ating final game for ating Friday edition po ng Aviation Friend League, Dabas of Flying League. This time na po, of course, Team Mechanicos playing white. Well, of course, ito na po, playing Barooners po yan. Yan po ang cabin line. Before that, anin po natin po ating ligang ito. This is your Aviation Friend League, Dabas of Flying League. We'd like to first following sponsors, Team LBC Hanay Padala and Thread the Needles. Sana po po dyan ang SPB ARA at PSB Go Basketball League. And of course, ito po ang ating mga participating teams sa ating season number 5. Cabin Line, Hub, Oryx Basketball, In-Flights, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, QR Towers, Freighters, and of course, Sky Team and Mechanicos. And of course, welcome po sa ating pong eliminations. Final game po sa ating pong Friday edition po will between now from Cabin Line versus Mechanicos. Sige, final po tayo, idol. Yung ano? Ayos ka na? Ano lang, alalay lang talaga. Okay. Okay, tayo po tayo po sa ating po open whistle. I think they're still coming po sa ating team Mechanicos. As in, 5 lang talaga sila. 5 versus of course yung cabin po. Medyo marami rin po silang po ng konti. Antay po tayo mga boss. Of course, nandiyan po yung dalawa pala. 7 sila total. 7. May pamilita po sila. Baba po tayo, of course. Ito po tayo. Okay. This is Joseph Arvin G. Vlog. We're just waiting for the opening whistle between Cabin Line versus Mechanicos. Ito technically parang maglolo to eh. Ang teams ito maglolo to from the family po ng Mechanicos. Tanda po natin po, ang Mechanicos po is ang anak po niya po si Sky Team. Pagkatapos, si Sky Team ang anak po niya po is si Cabin Line. Kaya ito maglolo to. Maglolo tong team na to, maglolo. Apo niya to eh. Ito tatay, ito yung tatay ito ni Sky Team, anak to ni Sky Team. Maglolo.
Sir, pwede mo bumati?
Yes, sir, sige po.
Binabati ko nga po pala yung mga nanonood yan.
Sige po.
Sa cargo team, sa Sir Bill, sabay mga team natin.
Sige. Okay, thank you. Ano mo?
Binabati ko po yung babe ko doon sa dyan. Alam mo na kung sino.
Okay, nice. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay ha. Sancho po, nandiyan si Sancho. Nanonood na po ngayon. Shoutout po Sir Sancho. Ito, laban po ito naman maglolo. Tanda po natin po, ang pinakatatay po ni Sky Team, si Mechanicos. Pero, ang anak po ni Sky Team po, si Cabin Line. Kaya maglolo. Maglolo po ito, maglolo. Ang relasyon po ito is sabanan po ng mga maglolo. Ayan ha, maglolo. Okay, opening whistle is about to start right now between Mechanicos versus Cabin Line. Mechanicos playing white versus Cabin Line po, taking po yung mga Marooners po or State University colors po natin. Okay, first 5 po starting, calling now the first 5 now for Cabin Line and Mechanicos. Ay, sa wakas, patay na rin AC. Para akong binubugan dito.
Ay na eh.
O nga, patay na. Automatic siya. First 5, calling first 5. First 5 po, calling first 5. Maraming salamat po. Okay, first 5 po ng Cabin Line. Si Arroyo, si number 8, si number 14, at si number 17. And of course, complete their lineup is number 18. Sa kabila naman po, of course, sino po yan? Sino-sino po yan? Game, okay. Sa Mechanicals po, of course, si Talisik, si Tan, si Baklaan, si Kalma, at si number 34. Okay, game start right now. Binaba po ngayon po, of course, nandiyan po si number 24, si Tan, siya po naging ball handler po ngayon. Sir Harold Lumawag is also watching also. Sir Harold James Cabaho Lumawag is watching right now. And of course, advance Eid Mubarak po, Eid Al-Hajj po sa ating mga kapatid natin, mga Muslim po, na magse-celebrate of this coming week po, yung kailang Eid Al-Hajj or Feast of Sacrifice po sa ating mga kapatid natin Muslim. Eid Mubarak po siya po lahat po dyan. Maraming salamat po. Of course, Kalayon, number 17, driving strong, walang pinasahan, balik muli po sa maroon ang bola. Balik po sa muro ng bola. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Baklaan. Tan, pops up. Walang pinasa si Tan. Still completed. Ng cabin line. Ay, ito na. 84. Pasok ang bola kayo. 84. 84. Pasok ang bola. Binababa ngayon po ni Mr. Baklaan ang bola. Baklaan number 4. Kalma, strip away. Hindi na kontrol. Balik ang bola muli po sa puti. Balik ang bola po sa puti. Balik po lang bola po sa puti. Tan, to Mr. no? To Mr. Baklaan, binababa pong bola. Baklaan, number 4. Kick pass kay Talisik for 3. Nope. Wala pa rin. Number 8. Number 8. Wala. Okay. Paulo number 3. 8:06 remaining. 2-all po tayo. I think tansya ko wala ano. Both teams ha. I don't know. Enzo, second shot, jumper ready po tayo. No good. Kalma. Kalma inbounding to Talisik. Talisik binababa ang bola. Talisik. Tan, kick pass kay Talisik. Ayun lang din, Bishop pass. Nice ball movement. 3-second violation nga lang. Na sobrang sapasampo ang Team Mechanicals. 7:42 remaining. Cabin line on the attack again. Binababa ang bola po ng cabin line. Nice Bishop pass. Hindi nila kontrol po ng Mechanicals ang bola. Balik muli po sa cabin line ng bola. Number 14. Kick pass. Ayan na. 18. No good. Rebound cabin line. Press 14. Wala pa rin. 84. Malakas. Kalma naka-rebound. Hoy! Dumulas ang bola kay Kalma. Dumulas ang bola kay Kalma. Ding dong dong ding ding dong dong ding ding dong dong dong. No good. Arroyo stripped away, may foul. Bola, sabi daw pero hindi po. Tatamaan ng kamay. Tinamaan ng kamay, sabi niya. Ano ba yan? Okay, game. Arroyo. 2 points, Arroyo. Bank shot made, Arroyo. Kalma. Kick pass kay Baklaan. Number 4, Baklaan. Binababa ang bola. Baklaan. Kalma. 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 Ayun, Nike kay Talisik. Stripped away. Kalma. Kalayo. Kahayon. 2 points. Balik po tayo. Eto muli po tayo, Mr. Baklaan running shot. 2 points, Baklaan. Baklaan, the running shot, 2 points. Binababa ni Mr. number 15. Balarm, no good. Rebound. Ay! Same ball, rep. It's same ball daw, sabi nila. Same ball daw. Coming line ball. Sese. Pops up. Wala. Air ball. Kalma. Bato kay Tan. Ang lakas. Hindi na control. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Hindi po ito time po. Change 5 lang po tayo. Of course, sa Team Mechanico, 0. Or 29 rather. Of course, si number 21, si 8, si... Okay. Sa 10 at si number 84. Okay, game. Balik tayo. Sa ano ba si Timmy, si Stiambol, number 16 at si number 8, si Navarro. Simbulas. Nope. Binababa ang bola ni Mr. number, hindi mabasa. Number 5, sorry. Okay, balik muli po sa air cabin line ng bola. Navarro. Kick pass kay number 7. Malakas. Navarro finding for the boards. Pero nakupo ng Mechanics ang bola. Mechanicos. Out of bounds. Same ball. Two points. Basket po para sa Mechanicos kay number 28. Binababang bola ngayon, binababang bola. 7. Pops up. No good. Binababang ulit po yan. Mechanicos ball, white ball. Nope. Pops up. No good. Rebound 13. Yes, sir. Okay, 6-8 po tayo. Laman na po ang Mechanicos ang dalawa. Pero may foul. There's a foul called. Difficult shot. No good. Labas muna. Timmy. Simbulas. Pops up. And one play. Rare 4-point play. Opportunity pa para sa cabin line over against Mechanicos. Rare 4-point play po siya. Rare 4-point play. Rare 4-point play. David for the 4-point play. It's out. Rebound battle.
Traveling violation. Number 7, Tanggol.
Pinababulig tayo na. Hop! Foul call. Number 5 to number 17. 17. Foul call.
Pass ball.
Pushing foul call.
07. Number 7.
Pops up. Kapos.
Short.
Palitan mo saan?
Invalid.
Out of bounds. The score is 8-9. Lamang uli po ang kabilang ng isa. A minute and 35 remaining. First quarter action. Patapos na po. Changgol. Changgol. Simbulas.
Simbolas.
Changgol. Changgol. Driving. Uy! Foul po, foul po. Foul. Matibay yan. Matibay ang kahan yan. Sintibay ng kahan ng aeroplano po yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Escat is watching also. Changgol. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, Changgol, 2 points. Good. Binababa ang bola ngayon ni number 5. Number 5. Number 20. Whoop! 2 points! Ay, naku, nilabas! Lucky bounce, palabas. And Simbulas. Kick pass kay number 10. Pops number 3 again. Bang shot made. Nice shot. 17. Binababa ang bola. Number 17. Number 17. Pak, pak, pak. Mali, pinasahan. Ayan naman siya. Hounded. 2 on 1, 2 on 2, 3 on 4 on 2, 3 on 2, 3 on 3. Changgol. Bang shot again. Bang shot again.
Same pattern again.
2 point, 3 points rather. Para kay number 10. Back-to-back field goals po yan.
Number 10.
2 points, number 10. Mechanicals. Wala na. Okay. First quarter ended. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action ng ating final game between Mechanicals and Cabin Line. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Cabin line, Enzo number 8 for the inbound. Enzo number 8 for the inbound along with number 17, number 18, number 14, number 84. Sa kalabaw, sila Baklaan, si Tan, si number 84, si Kalma at si Talisik. Enzo 2 points. Binato kagad ng bola kay Tan. Tan, nice catch. 2 points, no good. Bakay na. Sayang. Now, 17, binaba ang bola. 17, Sese.
points of
Sese. Traveling muna daw, sabi ng referee.
Yung una, yung pangalawa, hindi na pwede. Hindi na pwede pala sa six.
Baklaan for the inbound. Baklaan for the inbound. Number 4, Baklaan. Wala. Okay, binababa po ni Baklaan muli po ang bola from Kalma. Baklaan to Talesi for 3. Nope. Tan naman, si Tan. Tan, binaba, ayaw. Tan, kick pass. Kay Kalma. 2 points, number 34. Foul out. Out of bounds. Baklaan. Kalma, number 11. Kalma, nope, ayaw niya. Kalma, putik na, tumama sa paa. And number 4, Baklaan, to Talisik mag-isa. Pasok ang bola kay Talisik. Talisik, 2 points. 8:07 remaining. Danlangit rather. Pops up. No good. Rebound again by the white shirts. White shirts saka rebound. Pops up. Ayun, Tan. Palpal.
Open to shoot.
It's in the eye in the sky, breaking the rules. Oh, si Daisy. Foul called. I'm the keeper of truth.
Foul number 18.
Bakla ang palpal. Swiped again by Arroyo. Again, Talisik. Taking 3. Ayaw. Tan, binaba ang bola ang Bakla. Pops up Kalma. 2 points. 15, 16, 19. Laman po ng tatlo ang cabin line. Noel Bison is watching. John Paul, Brian Orwell is also watching. Thank you po, sir. Binababa ang bola ngayon, Mr. 17. Sese. Naipit ang konti kay 18. Pops up number 3. Nope. Puti. Nandun si Arroyo. Arroyo scrambled the ball. Enzo. Oy! 3-second violation. 3-second violation.
19-16 ang ating score.
Talisik. Okay, pwede na. Talisik for the inbound to Mr. Baklaan. Baklaan, binababa po ni Baklaan pong bola. Baklaan against number 18. Talisik. Okay, Talisik naman. Talisik. Baklaan. Eto na. Tan! No good! And one play made by number 34.
Foul number 8. Time out.
Pambira, may noliloksin pala sila dito ngayon. May noliloksin. Daming balita ko yun.
Isa na lang. Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. No good. Traveling violation yun. Nakita ng referee. Talisik. Binomba. Sayang nga lang. Dirk and Meñego Barros is watching right now, of course. Thank you po, Sir Dirk. Good evening po, sir. It's 5:15 remaining. Second liners, tandaan nyo na po. Manlangit. Arroyo. Palpal. Hindi nga. Enzo. Malakas. Change pa po tayo. Enzo shooting for 2. No good.
Number 19.
Wala. Hop. Substitution made now. Simbulas for the inbound. Okay, number 17. Shadi, binabantay si number 7. Wala. Nope. Nice rebound. Shadi. Mali pinasahan. David. Ayun lang. Easy 2. Easy 2 para kay number 16. And time call by Team Mechanicos.
Okay, back to the ball game. Simbot yan, pinagbabawal ng Nick sir. Pinagbabawal ng
Simbulas for 3. Ouch. Ouch. Binabang bola ngayon. Ito na. Okay. Okay, Shadi po position. Roshan also po position din. Nice cut by number 7. Pop. Park block partially. Pops up again. No good. Another rebound. No good still. One more time. Roshan. Out of bounds. Same ball po tayo. Fresh 14 given. Fresh 14 seconds given. Nice one. Nice drive. Nice rebound by Navarro. 2:30 remaining. Third second quarter action. Pasara na po ngayon. Yanggol to Simbulas. Navarro. Kick pass naman. Bank shot made. From the same spot, nakakatatlo na po yan. Player na yan. Si number 18 po ng cabin line. Same spot. Using the glass. Or using the board. Up. 3-second violation. 3-second violation po tayo. A minute and 52 remaining. 18:24 lamang po ng up ng 6 ang cabin line o Burke Mechanicos. Shari, binabantay po si number 7. Nice defense by Shari. Pops up again. Nope. Hop. Same ball. Limotan, naka-rebound. Limotan, wala. Roshan, for 3. Kapos. Limotan, malakas. 3 foul call. Changgol call for the foul.
Anggol. Personal foul.
Bago na tuloy.
Uy, sayang.
Number 5. Personal foul.
No good. Siete. 16. 10. David, pops up. Wala. Pops up 16. No good. Out of bounds. Going to Mechanicos ang bola. Mechanicos ball. Hop. Shari. Malakas. Palpal. Roshan. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Out of time. Okay, halftime po tayo. Okay, balik muli po tayo po saan po na. I think mas marami po yata ang cabin line over mechanicals or mas marami mechanicals over cabin line. Malala po natin dyan. Okay. Mukha yatang marami yata po ang cabin line over mechanicals. And I think cabin line will take some shots also over mechanicals. Yan. Mas marami po kasi. Mas marami po yata ang cabin line o mas marami po. I think cabin line yata mas marami. Sino mas marami? Mas marami ano? Barbs?
Hindi ko alam kung sino yung marami.
Para magkano?
Parehas lang eh.
Oo, halos ano lang eh.
Ticket. Ticket lang.
I think cabin line.
Parang pinipili eh, 4 player.
Okay, cabin line.
Dalawa.
Mas mababa ang cabin line pala para mechanicals. Mas marami mechanicals. Kaya cabin line, pipiliin po ngayon yung ano ng cabin yung pinititira po para sa kanila. First shot will be for Shadi and Roshan. Yan. Shadi. Malakas. Soccer pala.
Soccer na lang talaga
Soccer
dapat
pala.
ang
Soccer
nilagay.
pala. Roshan naman. Soccer yun, pre. Meron siya ano yung gulong niya. Gulong na ano eh. Tumatayo bigla.
Ang katawan niya,
Pang soccer.
Flex.
Isa pa daw.
Pasok bukas.
Meron.
Pag Sabado meron mapasok.
Meron.
Ano ba nakasa inyo?
Ha?
Ano nakasa inyo?
May shirib. Wala, binitawan yata ng FMM yata yung free zone yata.
Bakit?
Matangin na eh. Ilang ano ba? Ilang taong ba yung free zone ano? Kontrata ng
5 years
FMM.
ata eh.
Ha?
Parang 5 years ata.
Matangin natin 5 years ah. Tama, meron pa. Meron pa. Pero ba, nung nag-iwanan eh, may makakilala ko taga FMM, lumipat ang ano eh, ng EcoVert eh.
Bago na naman company yun.
Oh, EcoVert eh, bago ano, lumipat. Yung kakilala ko sa free sa FMM, lumipat ang EcoVert.
Mga itik o Pilipino?
Itik. Okay, second half now is on the way right now. 2024, laman po ng 4 ang cabin line. Baklaan. Kalma. Baklaan, naipit. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Barrentos. Whoop. Nice one by Arroyo. Arroyo nakapasok. Tabuslo. Boy India and Sir Melvin is watching. Kalma 2 points. Kalma 2 points. $84 Arroyo. Pops up. Wala. Foul called. Uy. Pahinga lang yan. Ayun. Tan. Binomba, wala. Okay, Manlangit. Whoop, wala. Arroyo, big man, and one play for big man, Arroyo. Tok, tok, tok. Okay. Walang kawala. Foul call, Manlangit. Manlangit call for a foul. Oy! Ano yun? Okay, pasok na. Mekos na yan. Okay, pwede ba pumasok po yung dahil si pag nag-fourth quarter, hindi na siya pwede pumasok po. Mutik na. Hoy! Foul! Foul, number 14, 22-28. Anim lang po yan. Third quarter pa lang yan. Still, it's an everybody's ball game at this point. Tan for the inbound. Tan, teka. Okay, Ying, papasok muna para kay Tan. Third quarter, pwede pa yan. Pero pag fourth quarter, pwede na siyang Ano ba, house rules ba? Okay, technical free throw also for cabin line. Bakit? It's out. Isa pa. Bakit? Both basket. Never shot. Ano? Okay, balik muli po ang sa laro po. Baklaan. Baklaan again, Ying, posisyon. Baklaan to Kalma, driving strong. Kalma, tap from behind. Ayun, kay Manlangit. Nando si Kalma. Kalma, 2 points na Langit. 14, 2 points. Uy! Cabin line ball. Bola po ng cabin line. Okay, sabon na po tayo. Number 31, labas muna para kay Limotan. Number 7 also, papasok muna para kay number 18. Number 0, binababa ang bola yung number 0. Sige po, eto na. Barrientos. Nope. Muntik na. Baklaan. Number 10. Oy! Foul called. Not traveling. Foul called. Baklaan. Ying. Kalma. No good. Nandun si number 18 pero hindi po foul call. Time out called. Time out called. Okay. At 5:51 remaining po, the score is 22-30. An 8-point advantage still enjoyed by Team Cabin Line over Mechanicals. Kaya tayo ka na yung wifi ko.
back to the ball game.
Back to the ball muli po tayo. Thank you very much po. At 5:51 remaining, laman po ng 8 ang cabin line. Cabin line for the inbound. David. Number 7, Changgol. Changgol against Baklaan. Baklaan, Changgol. Op. Arroyo.
To Barrientos.
Kick pass, David. Bank shot made. Same spot, but from the other side. Kalma. Kalma, kalma. Nope. Ying. 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 Pasa. Ayun. Maroon ball, maroon ball, red ball, maroon ball. Maroon ball. Maroon ball, maroon ball po, maroon ball. Eto na naman tayo. Number 0. Number 0. Nope, it's number 10. 84, pops up. Malalim.
19.
Malalim. Napakalalim po nun, mga boss. Hindi ko maarok ang kanyang kalaliman. Changgol shooting for 2. It's out. Second set, Changgol. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Okay, basket made. 33-22 lamang po. 12 na po kalamangan po niya. 32-34, 22. 12 na po kalamangan po niya. Good ball, good ball. Na-check po, na-check po. Ying, pops up. 2 points Ying. Number 7. Driving strong. Good ball. Oy! Traveling violation called. Traveling violation. Timeout? Okay, timeout called. Mechanicals called for the timeout at 4:12 remaining. Lamang na po na 10 ang team cabin line over Mechanicals. Sampu kalamangan. Okay, Limutan to Baklaan. 4:12 remaining. Third quarter action on the way. Kalma. Kick pa. Limutan. Wala pa rin. Limutan. Nope. Nando si Baklaan. Baklaan. Limutan. 2 points Limutan. Walo. Nice one. Kalma. Kalma. 2 points. Back to back. Field goals. Limutan. She completed. Kalma again. Kalma. Ying. Ying. Pow! Nice hustle plays. Back-to-back successful hustle plays by Team Mechanicals over Boleros. Up, pops up, in. First shot, Ming, good. Second throw ni Ming, jumper ready po tayo. Second shot, Ying, jumper ready, pops up, it's in. Both basket made. 30-34 from the height of 14. Yat. Now down to 4. Arroyo, malakas. Limota, naka-rebound. Kalma. Ying. Nando si Arroyo. Arroyo. Wala. Rebound, kalma. Binunoy pa baklaan ng bola. Baklaan. Foul called. Simbulas called for the foul. Simbulas saka foul. Kalma. Baklaan. Nice kay Ying. Nako, sayang. Sanggol! 2 points sanggol. Swiped away, sanggol. Ayun, Simbola, sanggol. 2 points again, sanggol. Nice block by Navarro.
Pasok.
Begging the rules that are written. I'm the seeker of truth. Napilagay for 3. Bangs it in. Same spot. The beta sniper. Hindi handa silimutan. Navarro. Number 8. Second part of it and emotion. I believe the one looking for you. Begging for you, I believe the one. Breaking the rules of my being. I'm the seeker of truth. Tan against number 7. Tulimutan again. Tan. Ying. Driving strong. 2 points Ying. Ganito 40 laman po na 5. Nice one. Nice block. Foul called. Foul number 8. Still anybody's ball game. Still 5 na po kalaman po ng Cabin 9 over Mechanicals. Tan for the inbound. Binato kagad kay number 7. Lost the ball. Nice stop. Still completed. Up. Sorry. Balik tayo. Tan calling the shots now. Tan calling the shots. Nice shoes. Lining pa yun, no? Lining anta. Up. Pops up. Bangs it in. Laman ng Siyam. Good ball. Shari. Nice tap out by Shari. Number 10, zigzagging his way. Foul called.
Foul 03.
Foul number 3. David number 10 shooting for 2. At
Tatlong ball na, idol.
at 52 seconds remaining. Third pa lang ito. Third quarter. No? It's in. 50 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Joins the close already. Shari. Up si Daisy. Enzo. Pops up. No good. Balik tayo dito. Third quarter action drawing to a close already. Ying still completed. Still completed. Stepping on the line. 9 seconds remaining.
Wala. Kaling na. 9 seconds.
9 seconds remaining. Shari. Tan.
10 seconds.
Tan. Ying. 2 points. Okay, third quarter action tapos na po. Coming up now is fourth and final quarter. Bukas po pala po ang ating po first game for tomorrow. Tomorrow first game po natin po, Saturday edition po is Cass versus Airport United, followed by of course Hub and the Sky Team. Aviation friendly po Saturday edition po para po bukas, same time, same place, same venue po tayo. Maraming salamat po. And of course, this is now again your aviation friendly Doubles of Flying League. We'll first select the timely sponsors, Trade the Needles ng Team Elvis na padala. Sampo na po dyan ang SPB ARA and PSB Basketball League. And of course, ang cabin na ito ba ang mga participating teams po natin. This is the eliminations and you're watching it now the final game for tonight po between Cabin Line versus Mechanicals. O manlait, kaway ka muna. Okay yan. Hello po, yan. Hulo na. Okay. Okay, fourth and final 10 minutes po on the way now. 36-44 ang score po natin. Lamang po ng 8 ang Cabin Line. 7. Driving show. Hoy! Pinasa ng bata.
0-3, apat na na, idol.
Number 3, third personal foul. Fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Number 0. Yun! Nice pass pero hindi po. Nice rebound by Kalma. Shari to. Nandun si number 7. Foul called. Shari 7 called for a foul. Manlangit again, inbounding. Number 14, Manlangit inbounding. Nakalusot. Tianggol. Kick pass, Manlangit. 2 points. $8:57 remaining. Ying. Oop. Kalma. Bang, sirit Tan. Tan, 2 points. 8:39 remaining. 7 against Shari. Arroyo, malakas ang pasa. Balik sa puti ang bola. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola, mga boss, mga madam. Balik muli sa bola. Ito na po tayo. Tan, driving Xiong. Swiped away. Nice steal. Foul. Again, number 7, Shari called for a foul. Okay, balik muli po tayo. David, cut. Nice cut by Manlangit. 2 points. Nice cut by Manlangit. 7:57 remaining, 40-48. Lamang na ng pulibo ng 8 ang team cabin line.
Kalma.
Foul! This is now our week 3 already sa ating Aviation Friendly Dabas of Flying League. Pangatlong linggo na po tayo. Okay? It's out. You have to complete 11 weeks of grueling elimination round po tayo. Then we have to play 55 games po tayo. And of course, si Daisy, foul called. That will tantamount to more than 2.5 months of elimination round. Then followed up, of course, by quarterfinals, then semifinals, and of course, the championships. Yan. Kaya this will be a very good game po also para sa Aviation Friendly game po. Jump as a flying league.
Ang lagi Pastor Royo.
94. Kumakat po, ayaw.
Arroyo to defend.
David.
Protection.
2 points, David. David, the boarding master. The board master. Shari.
Number 7.
Ying.
To Ying.
Shari, po position. Nope. It's Limotan. Ying, kumakat. Ying. And one play, Ying.
Basket down. Foul number 7.
Basket mate po. Baklaan, papasok mo na para kay Shari. Ying. Shooting for 2. Shooting for bonus free throw rather. Isa pa po. Early entry para sa cabin line. It's in. Almost stole the ball. Pito. Tanggol. Uy! Uy! Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi. Di sinasadya yan. Di sinasadya yan. Okay, manlangit. Uy, mali pinasahan. Limotan. Fouled by Mr. Tanggol. Number 7 called for the foul. Nice, good call by the referee. Baklaan, number 4 for the inbound. Chance to trim the lead down to 5 points. Tanggol, labas ka muna. Number 18, pasok muna si number 18. Baklaan, Ying. Si Kalma, position. Limotan for 3. In and out. Kalma, 2 points. 5. Out of bounds. I think hindi nawakan yata ng nawakan? Nawakan ni Kalma. Check na Kalma. Na-check ni Kalma. Check ni Kalma, sayang. Manlangit. 5:57 remaining. 5 kalamangan ng cabin line. Hoy! 5:52 remaining, 45-50 score po natin. 5 minutes 52 remaining. Sige po. Nice interception dyan si Manlangit. Whoop! Si Daisy.
Warning for penalty.
Paklan, number 4 called for a foul. Warning for penalty po ang team Mechanicos. 14 fouls already committed. Kahayog kumakat, ayaw. Manlangit for 3 offline. Nandun kay Ying kagad. 2-on-1 situation. Ying, strip completed. Nice steal. Fast hands. Oh! Same ball. Fast hands by my cabin line. Para mga batang Quiapo pala tumakabin na ito eh. Mamandurukot eh.
Time out.
Mechanicals, timeout po, tumapo ng timeout. They want to map this thing out. Ano na ako? Mga next shot.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Baka lang. Back to the ball game. Hoy! Tatlo yan! Take 3. Number 10, shooting for 3. Number 10, shooting for 3 po tayo. Shooting for 3. First shot. Pasok. Second shot for number 10, David. David, second shot. Pasok na naman. Last shot by David. Last shot by David. David, last shot. No good. Navarro, wala, malakas. Baklaan. Nawala, nanakong bola. Counter steal. Foul called. Foul called.
Foul number 18. Santitos, your right.
Ying. Number 19. No good. Baklaan. 2 points. 5. David. Arroyo. Muntik pa. Penalty na yan. Penalty situation po yan. Penalty situation. Team Mechanicals. Chill lang tayo. Chill lang tayo, boys. Chill lang tayo. Chill lang tayo. Laro lang tayo, boss. Thank you. Okay, balik ulit po tayong yun. Arroyo shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. 4:45 remaining. 47-52. Arroyo, second throw. Wala. Rebound, white shirts. Kalma, nagmamadali. Baklaan na naman. Baklaan. Ying. 2 points, Ying. Ying, baklaan combination. Ito naman, si Changgol. Changgol. 3 on 1. Changgol. Oy! Nice D by Limotan. Tatlo. Naman ang tatlo. 3-point lead advantage have been posted down by team Cabin Line over Mechanicals. And nag-time out po ang Cabin Line yata at 4:21 remaining ng ating fourth and final quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 21 seconds.
Balik tayo. Number 4. Kalma. Binababa ang bola. Kalma. 4:19 remaining. Kalma for 3. Bang! Si Rin. Tabla. Saan ang galing yun? Ito na naman si Tanggol. Creating space, no good. Navarro. Arroyo, no good. Lost the ball. Tabla, 3:51 remaining. 3:51 remaining now. Cabin 9 now. Cabin 9, bakla, Ying. Ying, bubisi po. Okay, sa bomba. Nandun. Nice cut. Nice steal by Baklaan. Baklaan. Nice tap out by David. Kick pass kay Calma for 3 from downtown. Wala. Nandun. Foul. Buti na lang na foul ka, mati 3 seconds ka. 3:14 remaining. 3:15 rather, sorry. 3:15 remaining po sa ating game clock. Fourth and final quarter po tayo. Naglalaban pa rin po ang Cabin Line versus Mechanicos. Calma. Wala. Nice D by number 7. Nandun si Calma naman. Calma nagmamili. Calma. Out. 17. Cabin line. Wala. Penalty situation, Team Mechanicos. Penalty situation, Team Mechanicos, number 17 for shooting for 2. Cese, 17. Shooting for 2. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala pareho. Hoy! Early entry.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
2:14 remaining. 52 all. Baklaan muli. Uy, butik na. Pops up, Calma. 2 points naman ang Mechanicos. Naman ang Mechanicos. 7. 6. Hoy! Penalty situation, Team Mechanicos still. I think nakakasakit sa kanila pagiging penalty nila. Hindi sila makalayo, hindi sila makalagwa. Pops up, cabin line, kapos na naman. Second shot, cabin line, jumper shot po tayo. 2 minutes 8 remaining. Last 2 minutes 8 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, Calma. Binato ang bola kay Ying. Wala. Foul called. Penalty situation. Okay, number 0 naman sa linya. Cabin line, number 0 shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Now to tie the ball game at 2:02 remaining. Out. Rebound, Calma. Calma takes charge. Not to Baklaan. Nakalusot si Baklaan. Pinato pa palabas. Foul again. Nice try. Dapat din niya Patira na dapat yon sa aking opinion. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Tianggol naman po will be tested on the line at 53-54. Lamang po Mecanicos po ng isa at 146 remaining. 145 remaining. Tianggol, okay, tabla tayo. Tabla naman tayo yun. Courtesy of Tianggol. Tanggol. Papsap. Pasok pareho. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Oy! Ayun! Pops up! Bang! Sining! David! Arroyo! David! David na hindi! Number 7! And the stop play made! What a turnover bench po talaga po sa nangyari po yun. Laman po ng dalawa po kanina po ang Team Mecanicos. Pero less than 1 minute po lumaman po. There's a 7-2 blast being made by Team Cabin Line. Bumaliktad yun from laman ng dalawa, ngayon balik muli po na lamang po ng Cabin Line ng 5. Okay, final 1:11 remaining. They need to make this shot. Mecanicos need to make this shot to keep them at play or else it will be very difficult for them now to win. Mecanicos, they need to make this shot. Kalma, foul called, Manlangit. Reaching foul. One more, 14 foul for Cabin Line. Limotan, Kalma, still completed. Kahayon. 2 points Kahayon. Limotan. Kalma, Baklaan, pops up. Nope. Number 18. Wala pa rin. 7. Foul. Bench decorum. Warning for bench decorum po, Team Cabin Line. And a foul committed also by Team Mecanicos. Ying. Technical foul on Cabin Line for bench decorum. Out! Penalty situation po ang Cabin Line. Laman po ng 7 po kagad ng Cabin Line. 41 seconds remaining. Out. Second shot, Cabin Line. Jumpers ready po tayo.
41 seconds remaining.
8. Baklaan, nagmamadali. Ying, nadapa. Baklaan. Number 18. Naku, in and out. Ano ba yan? Okay, safety basket na po yan. Okay. Sayang. Ano? Hindi na masabi, pero ano? Sayang. Magaling sila magnakaw din yung Cabin Line. Ang bilis ng kamay nila.
Shooter pa yung Jess.
Oh, si David. Siguro pwede yan. Candidate sa best player yun. Second shot, Arroyo. In. Okay, safety basket na po tayo. I think so. Tatlo. Wala na rin yan. Foul!
5 seconds.
Mati impossible na yan para sa akin. Still a good game for both teams, but still, I think Cabin Line now is looking to take now win number 1. I think so. Win number 1, yes. Win number 1 din. It's in. Second shot, jumper shot po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Second shot, Arroyo. No good. Okay, that's it. Alright, congratulations and win number 1 taken now by Cabin Line. Final score 57-64. Maraming salamat po and bukas po meron po tayong Saturday edition po ng ating Aviation Friendly League dubbed as a Flying League. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.